You're over 60, the first 10 minutes after you wake up can either protect your brain or quietly accelerate decline. Most people think mornings are just about brushing teeth and making tea. But after 60, your biology changes, and ignoring that change can cost you energy, balance, memory, and even independence. And here's what most people don't realize. The way you wake up matters more now than how long you sleep. After 60, your body doesn't reset overnight the same way it did at 30. Your cortisol rhythm, the hormone that helps you wake up, becomes flatter. That means energy rises more slowly. After 60, your body doesn't reset overnight the same way it did at 30. Your cortisol rhythm, the hormone that helps you wake up, becomes flatter. That means energy rises more slowly. Your blood pressure fluctuates more sharply in the first hour after waking. This is why dizziness and morning falls are more common in older adults. Your muscles lose elasticity overnight due to reduced collagen turnover. That's why stiffness feels stronger in the morning. And your brain's lymphatic system, the night cleaning system that clears toxins linked to cognitive decline, becomes less efficient with age. This is where it becomes dangerous. If you rush your morning like you used to, you stress a system that now needs support. Many seniors wake up and immediately check their phone, news, messages, social media, but early morning stress spikes cortisol unpredictably. For older adults, that can increase blood pressure variability and mental fatigue before the day even begins. Research trends in 2024 show that digital stress impacts older adults more than younger ones because recovery time is slower. But here's the surprising part. Your brain after 60 needs calm stimulation first, not alert stimulation. Orthostatic hypotension, a drop in blood pressure when standing, becomes more common with age. Standing up quickly can cause lightheadedness or falls. And falls remain one of the leading causes of hospitalization in adults over 65. A safe morning isn't slow because you're weak. It's slow because you're strategic. Now let's build a routine designed for your current biology, not your younger body. Before sitting up, gently move your fingers and toes. Rotate your ankles. Take 3 deep nasal breaths. This allows blood pressure to stabilize and muscles to re-engage gradually. You are telling your nervous system, we're transitioning. Drink a glass of room temperature or slightly warm water before tea or coffee. Overnight, mild dehydration thickens blood slightly and slows circulation. Hydration supports cognitive clarity and reduces morning fatigue. Surprising insight. Recent aging research suggests even mild dehydration may amplify memory lapses in older adults. 1 glass of water is not simple advice. It's brain protection. Do 5 to 7 minutes of slow mobility movements. Neck rolls, shoulder circles, hip rotations, calf stretches. Avoid intense stretching immediately. Aged tendons require gradual loading. This increases synovial fluid flow in joints and reduces fall risk later in the day. This is not about fitness. It's about preservation. Step outside or sit near sunlight. Natural light anchors circadian rhythm and improves melatonin production later at night. Sleep disruption after 60 is often linked to weakened light exposure patterns. Morning sunlight strengthens night sleep. And better sleep improves memory consolidation. Everything is connected. After 60, muscle protein synthesis becomes less responsive. That means your body needs slightly more protein to maintain muscle mass. Include eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, or legumes. Skipping protein accelerates sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And muscle isn't just about strength. It protects metabolism, balance, and independence. Many seniors take blood pressure or thyroid medication in the morning. Take them exactly as prescribed, ideally with consistent timing. Changing timing randomly can alter absorption and effectiveness. But here's what most people don't realize. Some supplements interfere with medications when taken together. Always space new supplements at least 2 hours apart unless your physician advises otherwise.
Remember, take this new pill 2 hours after your others.
Oh, I see. Is that important?
Yes, it helps it work better. See here?
Okay, I understand.
Before turning on television or scrolling the phone, activate your mind intentionally. Read a page of a book. Do a memory recall exercise. Practice gratitude. Pray or meditate. Research continues to show that cognitive stimulation early in the day improves mental flexibility and mood regulation. The brain after 60 thrives on purposeful activation, not passive consumption. Morning routine after 60 is not just about health. It's about dignity. It's about reducing dependence. It's about waking up knowing you are still in control of your body. A structured morning builds psychological stability, and psychological stability reduces anxiety. Independence is not luck, it's design. The biggest mistake seniors make is trying to follow routines designed for younger adults. Your body is not failing. It is evolving, and when you support its new rhythm, it rewards you with clarity, balance, and energy. After 60, mornings are no longer automatic. They are intentional, and that intention becomes your protection. The first hour of your day is not small. It is strategic. Design it carefully, and you don't just add years to life. You add stability to your years. Because aging is not about slowing down. It's about moving wisely. And tomorrow morning, you begin again. If this video helped you see your mornings differently, take a second to support the channel. Like this video so more seniors can find it. Share it with someone over 60 who deserves a healthier start. And subscribe for science-backed, practical health guidance designed specifically for life after 60. Your health journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning.